Welcome to the Axwell Army. This video is going to teach you how to get set up with your new Axwell wallet. Step 1, unbox your Axwell wallet. You'll notice that we include the wallet, cash strap, already installed, money clip, and instructions for use. Step 2, pick out your 6 to 8 most used cards. The wallet can hold up to 12 cards, but the goal of a minimalist wallet is to carry only the essentials. Put your least used cards in a bag and store them in a safe place. Step 3, insert your most used cards into the top of the wallet. The elastic will start off very tight out of the box. Give it a week and the elastic will naturally mold around your cards, making it much easier to access them. Step 4, hold the wallet with one hand and use your index finger on your dominant hand to push the cards out via the cutout on the bottom. Once your cards are sticking out of the top, fan your cards out with your thumb and index finger and select the card you want.